of confidence in our channel. This success is totally dedicated to our viewers more than to us. Frankly speaking, dentistry to the point started with no big initiative. Like it was that a constant thought in my mind that how to make dentistry easy and simpler so that we also have faced it ourselves so we know it better. So when I used to study during my period of graduation, I used to find videos on YouTube and various other platforms to make that topic or subject easier. But suddenly that thought came into my mind that why should
Dr. Satish Kumar, popular YouTuber by the name of Kaizen Dental, who will be judging the Just a Minute event as well. So I would like to welcome our guest lecturer and the judge for the eve, Dr. Satish Kumar. Welcome, sir. We are glad to share this platform with you, and I would like you to brace up our participants with your valuable words.
Congratulate you all. A really amazing effort, and to come up with this idea of having all the students in a single platform is really good. When I got a call from
Hi, Diviraj.
Good
So all
evening.
set?
Good evening, everyone.
You are the first participant for the event today.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
Chalo,
sir.
all the best. Now to select one number from 1 to 16. And I'll be reading out the topic, whatever is written. Okay.
Okay.
So
So
tell me
let's
one
go
number
with
from
5.
1 to 16.
5.
5? Okay. Your topic is need of the. So your topic is why do I have to brush my teeth while my dog doesn't have to?
Okay, sir.
I'll repeat once more. Why do I have to brush my teeth while my dog doesn't have to?
Okay, Dinesh, your 10 seconds starts now. You can think for 10 seconds. Stop.
Okay,
You can
sir.
start.
Hello, everyone. Good evening. Myself, C. Dinesh Kumar, studying third year BDS in RVS Dental College, Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore. My topic is why should I brush rather than my dog doesn't? Because we are all human beings. We have a mixed diet, and most aim of brushing is to remove the plaque and food debris that present in our oral cavity. Whereas a dog will have a habit of panting. They have more salivation. They can easily clean their own food debris easily than compared to ourselves. We actually, as study says, in humans, there is more possibility of forming of pellicle, food debris, plaque accumulation. Our main aim is to remove all these debris as soon as possible to avoid formation of dental caries as well as plaque. Whereas comparing with the dogs, they have a long tongue compared to us, so they can easily grind up their wash up their own tooth as fast as possible, and the salivation is also too good in dogs compared to humans. We secrete only 1 to 1.5 liters saliva per day compared to dogs. So that's why our dentist or
Stop.
our
Stop.
we ask. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Dinesh.
Thank you, sir.
So I hope you like the topic.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We move on to the next participant, Harsh Parikh. Harsh, are you with us?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please tell me the topic. All the subjects in this in the dentistry are from the are from the medical itself, and why not? Because we all know because we all know the drug the drugs of the all the things, and the pharmacology we know that so if it is the and this and we all know that the rural area is the deprived area, and want they want these dedicated doctors who can go there and practice, and as there is scarcity of these doctors in this area, so we can very well go there and practice and perform also, because we know all the
Stop.
medical science also.
Stop.
Yeah, thank you.
Unmute yourself. Just unmute yourself.
The next participant is Prapti Goel. Prapti Goel.
Thank you. Good evening, sir.
Hi, Prapti.
Hi.
Okay, all set?
Yeah.
Yeah, give me a number.
I think 7 is not done, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, 7 is not done.
Yeah.
Okay. This is a good one. What is your take on medical insurance companies covering the dental treatments?
Okay. I have to tell about these consequences or the means related to these things. I can tell anything.
You have a minute. Medical insurance companies covering the dental treatment. What is your take on that?
Okay. Your time starts to think now. 10 seconds. Stop.
Thank you. So, good evening, everyone. Myself, Dr. Prapti Goyal from Gwalior, and this is a very good topic to understand, to have our understandings, because in India, this our dental insurances are not there, so that patients take it very lightly because they never thought of dental treatment until they will get serious problems. So, I really think that in India also we should have a dental insurance, so that at least for the use of this dental insurance, they will come to the for the daily checkup and they will get their treatment on time. And as compared to the medical insurance, they will have a medical insurance so that they feel safe and they can get the treatment on time. And if they get the dental insurance also including in medical, then they can come for the higher treatments also, like implants, RCTs in more areas. Many people don't understand the importance of implants because of the higher cost, but if they have dental insurance, they will definitely go for the implants. It will helpful for us also, for our practice and for them. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Prapti. Next we have on board is Gurleen Kaur. Gurleen?
Unmute yourself, Gurleen.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Hello. Yeah.
I want to choose number 16.
Number 16. Okay. Do you consider dentistry as a money-minting profession?
Can you please repeat the question once?
Yeah, sure. Do you consider dentistry as a money-making or money-minting profession?
Okay.
You can think for 10 seconds, Gurleen.
Okay, sir.
Stop. Yeah, you can start.
About the dentistry as a money-making process, it is not merely a money-making process. The dental treatment is very costly, but also the cost is for the products, and the treatment process is very expensive. So the money also depends on.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Shubham. So tell me your number.
Sir, actually, I don't know how many numbers are left.
I'll tell you. There's 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. You tell me a number, then I'll tell you whether it is taken or not.
9.
9. Okay. It's very relevant to this time. So, what if you find out that a patient you treated one day ago was COVID positive? I'll repeat. What if you find out that a patient you treated one day ago was COVID positive?
You can think for 10 seconds, Shubham.
Yes, sir.
Stop. Yeah, you can start.
Sir, when I know that I have to check whether he is positive or negative first, then I have to treat that person, whether he is COVID negative or positive. And sir, I have to take proper precaution regard the treatment and the procedure which I did, and following by the I'm sorry.
Time is up, Shubham.
Okay. Thank you, Shubham. Next we have is Haritha. Haritha,
Yes. Good evening.
hi. Okay. Give me a number. I'll tell you a topic.
8.
Okay. Okay. Learning dentistry offline or online? I'll
You
repeat.
can,
Learning dentistry offline or online?
your 10 seconds starts now. Yeah, you can start.
So, learning dentistry online proves to be a great challenge in the time of this pandemic because dentistry is a profession which needs a lot of hands on experience. We have preclinical work, we have to see patients in our undergraduation years itself in order to be successful later on, which is kind of getting defied in this period of the pandemic because everything is on screens now. We have demos being given by teachers on the screen and we're not really able to understand what is going on. So I think offline dentistry should only be an option in very developed countries where there is a scope for virtual reality or simulations where students can be sitting at home and doing practical things and getting the hands-on experience. But since in a country like India that's quite far-fetched as of now, I think that offline dentistry is what should be focused on and improving the things, the facilities to learn dentistry offline. Also, as of now, just theoretical based learning can go on online. That wouldn't be a problem. However, when we look at stuff like working on typhodonts or phantom heads or probably making dentures or setting teeth, all these things, they can't be learnt from the comfort of somebody's home. I think that it's very essential to be
Stop.
in that environment.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Haritha. Next participant we have Hina. Hina Wakode. Hina, are you there with us? I think she's not there.
Yeah, she is not there. We can move on to next.
We move on to the next.
Yeah.
Yeah. Next we have is VM Nivedita. Okay, Hina Wakode joined again.
Yeah, just call out.
Yeah. We'll take her at the last if she wants to speak. We'll take her again at the last. The next participant we have is VM Nivedita. Nivedita, are you there with us? Okay. Next is Rutvija. Rutvija.
Nivedita is there, Josh. Nivedita is there. Nivedita, remove your headphones and speak, then it will be good. Yeah. Unmute yourself.
Okay,
yeah.
Nivedita. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're audible.
Good evening.
Okay, give me your number. Good evening. Give me your number.
13.
13. Okay. So your topic is influence of conferences and webinars on your dentistry. I repeat, influence of conferences and webinars on your dentistry.
Your 10 seconds starts now. Stop. Yeah.
Yeah. So good evening, everyone. I'm Nivedita. So today my topic is the influences of conferences and webinars on my dental experience. So I definitely give a major part of whatever knowledge I've acquired in all these 4 years to conferences and webinars. Well, textbooks right now I feel are outdated. The procedures that we do right now, the advances is most of them through conferences or webinars. Like I'd like to give an example. There no textbook that talks about augmented reality. And right now, there's COVID. Students after us, I don't think they can read the COVID experiences or the COVID precautions, infection control to be followed in a textbook. It's only through conferences and webinars that we are well equipped on how to treat a COVID patient and what precautions to follow. And I think it's the webinars and conferences are itself a booming industry because we see like most of us attend webinars, pay for it. So I think that supports my statement. And then
your time is up.
Thank you.
Jash, unmute yourself.
Thank you. Next we have is Rutvija.
Good evening.
Hello, Rutvija. Tell me a number. Yeah, sure.
For number 1.
Number 1 is already taken. So we have
Okay,
2 left.
2. Number 2.
Okay. Your topic is roadside quacks performing dental treatments.
Your 10 seconds starts now.
I repeat, roadside quacks performing dental treatments. Okay.
Yeah, start.
Dentistry is a quintessential curative profession. Every tooth in a man's head is more valuable than a diamond. I think roadside quacks are a threat to dentistry, but in the places like rural areas where dentists, there is a scarcity of dentists because there is not much awareness in the rural areas about dentistry, and this provides a chance for the roadside quacks to practice there. So I guess it's more important to spread awareness about what is dentistry, what is the importance of dentists as such, so as to prevent people, so as to help them. And yes, this is what I guess in future, this is the future of dentistry, to spread more awareness. I guess dentistry and awareness go hand in hand. Only then a brighter future of dentistry can be seen. Thank you.
Yeah, your time.
Thank you, Rutvija. Next we have is Simran. Simran, can you please come online?
Yeah. Yeah, hi. Good evening. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening. I'll tell you the numbers which are remaining. It's 4, 6, 11, 12, 14, 15.
4.
Okay. Okay. So your topic is foreign author books versus Indian author
The camera is not on, I guess.
yeah. Simran, would you like to on the camera? Simran, can you please on your camera? Even her mic is not on. Yeah, she's back. Hello, Simran?
Yeah, hi. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Yeah.
So you got your topic. Your topic is foreign author books versus Indian author books.
Okay, your 10 seconds starts now.
Of course, prefer Indian author books because, of course, they're easier and we are too lazy. So we always, as college students, prefer Indian author books. But the actual content in foreign author books are much better. And it is always better to read from those books because we can actually learn the concepts better from there. and we can actually put them into practice. They have more clinical examples, and the content is also more accurate as compared to Indian author books, which try to give the content in short and in a precise manner. So if we want a clear understanding of any topic, so a foreign author book would be much better for any student, not just for BTS actually.
Your time is up.
Thank you.
Thank you, Simran. Next we have is Pooja Upadhyay.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. My number is 11.
Okay, 11.
Yes.
Okay, so your topic is a popular private college or an underrated government college.
Your 10 seconds starts now. You can think for 10 seconds.
I repeat, a popular private college or an underrated government college.
Yeah, start.
So I prefer an underrated government college because there I'll see there when I'm going to study and when I'm going to see the patients, I'm going to see that how I can provide low cost treatments to my patients, because a hi-fi college is always going to be like they are going to ask for high prices, and I want to provide low cost treatment. That is my primary goal when I think of being a doctor or being a dentist. That is because I want to reach the masses and give them low cost treatment. That's why I would prefer. And there also in the government colleges the faculty is like, okay, we can get experienced faculty anywhere, but yeah, I it's like there they are better, but my primary goal is to like go for low cost treatment, so I'll prefer with the government college, and even the number of patients are going to be higher.
Yeah,
I must.
time is up.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Pooja.
Yeah.
Hope you get a government college for the next upcoming academic thing you are going for.
Thank you so much, sir. That was.
Is our next. Okay.
Yes,
Shreyans Mehta is our next participant. Okay.
So do I have any
Shreyans,
options
choose
left?
your number.
Do I have any options left?
Yeah, you do. You do. You do have many options left.
So can I have the number?
You have 6. Yeah, sure. 6, 11, 12, 15.
11 number, please.
Yeah. No, I'm sorry. 11 is taken. You have 6, 12, 15. I'm so sorry. Only 3 options. 12. Okay.
Sir, 15.
So your question is, do our seniors in college?
15, just 15.
Okay, 15. Yeah. 15 is nepotism in dentistry. Your topic is nepotism in dentistry. I hope you get the word nepotism well.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have 10 seconds to think, Shreyans. Yeah, done. You can start.
Sir, I think nepotism the or any other institution is good to study, and the focus on its treatment or to learn things. As he is having a parent who is already a dentist or any other kind of doctor, he can learn certain other things and clinical experiences that the others can't learn. Who are like me, if I'm starting on my own and my father is not or my mother is not a dentist, then I have to learn everything on my own. I have to set up my own dental clinic and I have to get my own dental practices. While if my parents were a dentist, then it could be much more easily that I can get patients and treat them correctly. And also because I can learn many other things like tips and tricks that normal other patients don't learn. But if your parent is there, then they can easily teach you. And also because you have connection, so you can easily get books of previous generations which may contain certain info, golden info that the newer generations of books don't have. So you can compare and improve your knowledge on them. And while you are before then you are entering to dental college, you can also
Yeah,
visit
your time is up. Yeah, your time is up, friends.
Okay. Thank you, Shreyans. We have the last participant, that is Adhikansh Jaggi. Adhikansh, are you there with us?
Yeah, yes. Sir. Am I audible?
Okay. Yeah, you are very much audible.
Okay, I guess only 6
Two
and 12
numbers.
left.
Yes.
Okay, so I will take 12.
Okay. So 12 is, do our seniors in college guide or misguide?
Okay, you have 10 seconds to think.
Your topic is, do our seniors in college guide or misguide?
Yeah.
Okay, you can start, Adhikansh.
So in dental college, we all know, we all went from our first year phase. We all know seniors are like our parents. They help us very much. Seniors always guide us. They never misguide us. If we ever get stuck in any situation with books, topics, or our consultancy regarding faculty, anyone, the seniors are always there to help us. They always help us with many topics. If we don't know anything, we can ask them directly. They will explain us very well. They know library section very well. They can give you very good suggestions for book. They know which author's book is best for you. They have read all things. A faculty can give you advice, but they have their restricted opinion. But seniors can tell you in your language, in which you understand, and they can help you. And always they make sometimes funny moments also with you in your college fest harmonies. So without seniors, we can't imagine dentistry or any professional course which we are here. And
Thank
everyone
you,
is our senior.
Adhikansh. Your time is up. Thank you so much.
Okay.
I think there were a number of comments going on, and there were disputed views coming because some of you have your seniors in the chat.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Are we left out the first participant? Anantam, are you still there?
He has not joined the meet, I guess, Josh. He has not joined us.
Okay, then we're done.
Yeah.
We're done with the participants.
Yeah, even Hina is not there. So I guess we are done with all the
Hina,
participants.
yeah. Thank you so much, all the participants. You were great. I hope you all liked the topics, and it was randomized. We didn't fix any topic for any participant. Sir, Dr. Satish sir, I hand over to you, and we'll give sir some time also to decide the
Yeah,
slot.
give me
If you
some
like to
time
speak something on
to
the... Yeah, sure.
count the first.
Yes.
Yeah. I'll just take 5 minutes.
Yeah, sir, no
Sure,
problem.
sir. We'll wait for you.
Till the time, can we know the remaining topics?
Okay, sure. So the remaining topics are, one was, we have many topics written actually. So one was, what is your favorite subject and why? Then that is kind of a very biased thing. Then one more topic is, does a dentist truly deserve a stethoscope? And also Indian dentistry versus foreign dentistry. Chitransh, if you want to speak once again, apart from the judging, if you would like to have one more minute to speak.
Any of the topics.
What is your take? Yeah, any of the topic. What is your take on, do our seniors in college guide or misguide? Truly speaking, not about our seniors.
No, I would say they guide, because everything apart, looking at the broader perspective, I will say guide, because misguide part and everything is just for a short period of time, and that is just for fun, just for fun. No senior I have seen that telling a wrong thing or misguiding his junior. Being a senior, being a junior, both I have not seen if the senior, if the junior does not know anything, he will definitely guide. So yeah, jokes apart, the guide is the definitely word.
Hello.
Yeah, and we would like to
And
know.
one more point I want to add. One more point I want to add that if seniors will not be there, then we have to read whole book, because teachers will give you they want that we read the whole book. And when this exam comes and we go to the to seniors to just to give the IMP topics. So if they are not there, then I don't know that how we will read the whole of the book and go to the exam.
True, true.
I just want to add one point to Harsh also. Like, if the seniors are not there, then there are might chances then that we don't get the books also, because in our
Yeah.
field we took books from seniors.
Books, the last time most important questions.
Yeah.
Brahmastra questions.
If senior was not there, no, I would not be having a wife because she's my senior.
Yeah. How can you forget
Plus
that?
one to Chitransh.
And if seniors
Dr.
always
ma'am is
help us.
also saying same.
Plus one to Chitransh. Like, I'm also going to marry to my senior.
It's a very
Chitransh,
deep
we would
influence.
like to know about your take on the question, the COVID patient thing. You were talking about something related to that you faced a thing.
Yeah. Recently, in the second wave only, April, I guess May. This is what May is going on. No, April 28, I got a patient with faulty anterior prosthesis, 6 unit का bridge था front, और he was having abscesses, multiple abscesses, दो दांत में. So I have to cut that bridge. I have to do the root canal दोनों दांत का. One root stump was also there. तो वो extraction भी किया. Everything was there in that patient. I think I took 2 or 3. I was trying to do in least number of sittings. So it took me 2 or 3 sittings to do that. Last sitting was on 28, and I was thinking, I was practicing very regularly up till then. Patients were less, so but yeah, I was going to the clinic, and on 28 or maybe on first, second, or third, something like that, he called me. He was a very genuine patient. He was having one kidney, so he was already a little immunocompromised, and he was बहुत समझदार था वो. So he called me on the second or third that sir, I am positive, and I was there in your clinic for 2-3 times. So first of all, तो मतलब मैं अपने आप को 2-3 बार उसके पहले isolate, like since this in this year, I've isolated myself for 4-5 times. You guys have also done that because you thought that this is COVID. I followed that protocol. I isolated myself for 2-3 days. Took some regular this multivitamins and voice of steam and garam pani and everything. Did not started with antibiotic course for 2-3 days, but no symptom was there. I was thinking that if symptom will come, then I'll go for RT-PCR. But for 4-5 days, nothing happened. Nothing at all happened. Everything is fine. So at 7th or 8th day, I ended this my isolation, and the patient was also fine after 20. I called him on 14-15. He said, "Sir, my isolation is also over. I am also fine." So yeah, it was fine, but it was a close call.
So I'll hand over the mic to Dr. Saloni Jain. She will start with.
As soon as you say me to start, my light goes off. I don't know why. Anyways, moving ahead with my voice only.
Yeah, we can see you.
Yeah, all thanks to my sister. She's holding the torch for me.
Oh.
I'll have to repay her later, I guess. So I would like Dr. Satish sir, our honorable judge, to share some words regarding the performance of all the participants. So can we have your words, sir, regarding the performance? Even I must say that every participant, they have really given their best. And congratulations to all. It was very nice hearing you.
Um,
So just a word to all the participants about the performance.
Can you hear me? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
First of all, the people who formed the questions are really amazing questions. Okay. Some were absolutely relevant, like whether you need insurance, mobile dental clinic, and some were off track, which were like funny, like the dog one and seniors. Each one have had their experience with seniors, I'm sure. Uh, each one's is different at that point of time. So whoever came up with the topics, really good job. Okay. And to be honest, I was not very sure if the participants would be confident enough to come up with answers in a minute, but each one was good. It's not just doctors, it's good to see young students, second year, third year students also taking the risk of coming on camera and talking on topics they don't know. Now, for example, the boy who spoke on COVID, he had a problem because he's in second year and he might have not treated COVID patients as of now. So still, he didn't lose confidence. He spoke as much as he could. So seeing the confidence in you guys, I think you should keep it up. It will help you in convincing a lot of FMR full mouth cases once you're out of colleges. And
Yes.
a really good job.
Thank you, sir. Also, I would like Dr. Jash to say something about the event. As being a moderator, you are the one who has, observed closely things. So, yes.
Okay, so first of all, it was a very joint effort of all of us to form the questions. We just wanted the questions to be very, very fresh and very upcoming to the students as well. We were quite confused as to keep it a theoretical based or practical based, but then we thought that there might be students of first year as well and of interns, and we didn't know which year. So it was very difficult to form the questions too. But ultimately, I think all the participants did a great job. And Saloni and Rumil, this is the first time I think that on such a platform we are having such a thing.
Yeah.
That just a minute is a very tedious kind of a thing, which is done for entertainment purposes, not for dental purposes.
Yeah.
So I would request you to keep on having such events again and again, and I would love to moderate all of them.
Thank
And
you, sir.
I'd like all the students to come up with more and more knowledge as and one month goes by. So the next time we have such a webinar or such an event, we'll be full of knowledge. So
Sure,
thank
sure.
you, and all the participants. You seriously did a great job, because when we were forming the questions, we were like, what if we were there in the situation? What if we had to speak on this topic? Then
Yeah.
we would take at least a day to think, okay, this is the protocol, this is the thing, now we have to speak. So being extempore was excellent. So all the best to each one of you, and may the best one win.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Dhrumal, 1 second. Actually, just now a participant called Hina Vakode, and she said that time she lost the connection. So can we have her, or I think the topics are out, I guess. All the
Yeah,
topics which we had decided are out.
Yeah, I have one more topic
Just do
left if you want. Yeah, we do have one topic.
Yeah. She just called, and maybe, sir, I would like you to say, if we could.
Yeah, we should
Yeah,
enter her.
so-
If she's willing, of course.
Okay.
Sir, till then, I would like to ask, what was your best topic? What topic would you speak on?
Yeah, sir.
We would like to have your take on the topics. Which one is your favorite?
I would speak on any of them.
Yeah, sir, but which one would you prefer the most? That was the best topic.
Relevant to times, medical insurance
Yeah.
and bridge course. They're like two debatable topics as of now. So yeah,
true.
based on the current situation, these two topics.
Yes.
But
Yeah,
I would have
that-
picked up any topic. All of them are fun.
Sir, can you shed some light on this bridge course? आपका क्या मानना है? What do you think about this bridge course?
Bridge course is basically for people जिन्होंने डेंटिस्ट्री ऐसा जबरदस्ती ले लिया है. It's like पहला प्यार भूला नहीं, दूसरा प्यार करने चले types. So many of them want to go back to the first love. Okay, they're not moved on.
Correct.
But there are certain students who have extremely good medical knowledge, more than dental knowledge. So for select few, if they shift out to medical field, well and good. But overall, I think you should move on. You should go on with dentistry, and dentistry has scope. There is nothing like dentistry mein scope nahi hai. It requires a lot of effort. If you're not from a nepotism background, but still first timers can make a lot of money. So personally, I wouldn't go back to medical field. I enjoyed dentistry, and it was my first choice. So that's why.
Hina has
I think
joined.
yes, she's come.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello, Hina. You can unmute yourself. Josh.
Yeah.
Good evening, everyone. Sorry, I just lost the network. As there is no light.
That's fine. Okay. So I'm really sorry, but we have only one question left on the list, which we have not gotten it out. So you ready?
Yes.
I'll tell you the question. The question is how to cope up with the practical aspects left out due to the shut dental colleges in this COVID time. I repeat, how to cope up with the practical aspects left out due to the shut dental colleges in this COVID times. You got the topic?
Yes.
Yeah. You will get 10 seconds to think, Hina. And after that, as we say, you can start with your speech. Your time starts now. 10 seconds has started. Yeah, you can start.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Hina Wakode. Practical aspect is very much important in our dentistry, as majority of our treatments are based on practical. But theory knowledge is as well as much more important compared to practical, because as we can't practice, like our final year students and third year students are not getting the chance to practice much more, but they can utilize their time in strengthening their theory, because theory is very much important. If they have a great theory knowledge, plus if they have a learning attitude, they can as well practice at home, like using any cast or any model. So they can utilize their time by strengthening all these things, because in our daily schedule, like we had
Your time
in
is
our
up.
third year final year, we did not.
Your time.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Hina. Hina, we are really glad that you came back and you spoke on the topic. It shows your confidence.
Yes,
Thank
I
you
am.
for being on the platform.
Yes, I am thankful to let me in. Thank you.
Okay. So due to the time constraints, thank you so much, Dr. Satish sir and Dr. Jash Shah. All the participants were exceptionally good. I could see the efforts and creativity that each one of you have. Well done, and may the best one win.
So the wait is over, I guess, and the results are with me now. And every one of you performed really very well. And yeah, the scoring was also, I think, very tight scoring was there.
Yes,
It was
it was
all,
very tight.
yeah, it was very close enough, very close enough. So starting with the third position, I would go like the third winner. The third position is backed by Dr. Prapti Goyal. And I think Dr. Prapti Goyal has views on insurance work. Hopefully we see this news coming in as well.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir, for the beautiful presentation. It gives so much insights to us. And thank you so much, Dr. Saloni and Dr. Dromel, for this event. And thank you for selecting me.
Congratulations, Prapti.
Congratulations, Prapti. Congrats.
The second prize, the second place, is backed by Dr. V.M. Nivedita.
She just come back.
Oh, what a comeback. So your influence of webinars and conferences, I think, is useful now. It made it to your way, I guess.
Yes, ma'am, definitely. Sir's
Congratulations, Nivedita.
Congrats.
Sir's webinar was also very useful. I had
Thank you.
watched in YouTube live. So yeah, thank you, sir, for the information.
And the first prize or the first position, I think it was very evident, I guess. And it is backed by Haritha.
She spoke really well.
Yeah, she spoke really well.
I
Her
think she's
language, her words, it was very good. Anyways, everybody would be given their certificates, like they would be sent their certificates through mail in a week. And of course, the cash prizes.
Yeah.
Sorry,
And to-
sorry, that was the most important thing to be mentioned.
So to add on this, the third place will be getting the cash prize of 200 rupees. And the second place is getting a cash prize of 300 rupees. And the first place is going to get the cash prize of 400 rupees. So 400, 300 and 200 rupees. And along with that, we have Dentistry to the Point special exclusive membership vouchers for the winners. So for the winners, all the three categories are going to get these vouchers. The first place will be getting 3 mentorship sessions from Dr. Drumil Manek or Dr. Saloni Jain, whomever they choose. They can ask anything in that mentorship sessions, like they want anything us to guide on any subject, whether it be anything regarding dentistry. We are more than happy to help them in one-on-one mentorship sessions. So the 3 sessions are free. After that, we provide 3 dental notes of any 5 chapters. So you can enroll that also. And along with that, we give you monthly planner for 1 month. If you have anyone in your area or nearby who is going to approach his final exams, so we can also help them planning and how to approach each and every subject with time management and the topics which are more important. So the first prize will be getting 3 sessions, 5 notes and 1 monthly planners. In the same way, the second place will be getting 2 mentorship sessions, 3 notes as well as 1 monthly planner. And the third place will be getting 1 session, 2 notes as well as 1 notes as well as 1 monthly planner. So all these 3 exclusive membership is for first, second and third place. Along with that, all the participants of the event for Just a Minute competition will also be getting the participation certificate. So this is over from our side.